Ready.
Guys, keep your head back and turn it right.
Clear. Clear. Uh, Ready. Clear.
Ready. Okay, keep your head
Yay!
back there. Over here. We'll be here.
Monkey D. Luffy! The sun's perfect. Holy shit!
Welcome back, explorers. We hope you enjoy your journey on Tumbili. Once the ride vehicle comes to a full and complete stop in the station, please unfasten your safety belt, put them on the shoulder harness. Please be careful stepping down out of the ride vehicle and then proceed to the exit pathway. Remember to collect any loose articles you may have stored, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day here with the Jungle Expedition.